Hi, I'm Lucas. The previous video explained the initial configuration of a computer and how VCI is associated with a computer. In this video, we officially enter the Xentry Diagnosis program. Xentry Diagnosis is a core and fundamental tool for maintaining Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Double-click the mouse to run the Xentry Diagnosis program. The software version of Xentry Diagnosis is 03.2026. Log into your online or offline account. I log in through an offline account. The login was successful and it was displayed as an offline login, with 3,372 days remaining in validity. Click OK. Through the main interface, you can see the supported models: Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, Smart, Bake. This support button can be used to contact Mercedes-Benz professionals by creating a ticket, but it is only available to users with an online account. Both of these icons have a printing function. It is information. On any program diagnostic interface or user interface, auxiliary detection information such as circuit diagrams and module installation can be provided. Next, let's look at the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Vehicle Determination. Click to return to the Diagnosis homepage. Xentry Diagnosis. Click to enter the Diagnosis interface is mainly used to click on information and other support interfaces and quickly return to the Vehicle Diagnosis interface. Xentry Tips Reader. The main ones are the technical notification documents officially released by Mercedes-Benz. You need to log into an online account and have the corresponding functional permissions to use them. Xentry WIS, the official Mercedes-Benz maintenance data query function, includes basic disassembly and assembly, circuit diagrams, structural data, and other information. It also requires an online account that supports the relevant functions to be used. Xentry Parts Information is Mercedes-Benz official parts inquiry system. Xentry Operation Time, Mercedes-Benz dedicated maintenance standard working hours query system. Dynamic Wiring Diagram is the dynamic circuit diagram system developed by Mercedes-Benz for its new model. Lock the unique circuit diagram based on the vehicle information. System Settings is the setting option of Xentry Diagnosis. Print is the print setting function of Xentry Diagnosis. Support is the service support function of Xentry Diagnosis, and technical support services from the headquarters need to be obtained through an online account. Help is a help center. Change user means to switch accounts. Terminate Xentry Diagnosis is a normal exit of the diagnostic program. This exit method will completely exit the login information of the online account. So Xentry Tips Reader, Xentry WIS, Xentry Parts Information, Xentry Operation Time, Dynamic Wiring Diagram, Support, all require the use of an online account and the existence of relevant functions before they can be used. Next, I will focus on explaining the relevant settings in System Settings. The general menu contains the settings for date formats. In the language settings, you can see that most languages are supported, but Korean is not displayed properly. It is only supported after installing the Korean language pack for Windows, which is caused by the absence of the language pack. The version information and database information of Xentry can mainly be seen in System and Data version of Xentry Diagnosis. Lower versions cannot diagnose new models of vehicles. The following is the setting unit system. If you have no special requirements, just follow my settings. The setting of activation of text ID display can be kept as default. Setting the paper format, just keep the system's default for printing. Here, the default setting No is also maintained. Selection of workshop. If you log in as an online account, it can be a registered company. In feedback, central feedback function and support data are only supported for login using an online account. The setting of support data is mainly for the retention time of upgrade information. After exceeding the set time, the logs of data transmission in online programming cannot be searched again. A reasonable time can be set to avoid occupying too much memory. Because if there are any problems during the upgrade, the log will be immediately fed back to seek help instead of a long time later. There is no need to set the time too long. Vehicle determination can set brand selection and product selection. The brand pre-selection model can be set to automatically redirect the home page to Mercedes-Benz, Smart, or others based on the main scope of auto repair. For instance, if I choose to save Mercedes-Benz, clicking on Vehicle Determination will automatically redirect me to Mercedes-Benz. Switch to no pre-selection again, and the home page for the diagnostic test has been restored to vehicle model selection. Since I mainly repair Mercedes-Benz passenger cars, I will set Mercedes-Benz as the home page. Product Group Presentation can set Mercedes-Benz as the home page and then subdivide it into the Vehicle Identification Number input interface, or Passenger Car, or Van, or Super Sports Car. Automatic Vehicle Identification. Check this box here. After the diagnostic instrument recognizes the VCI signal, it can automatically perform vehicle detection and recognition. You can check these items, automatically start quick test and automatically start quick test and print out together with fault-free frame data. Because it can automatically start vehicle inspection and retain the first inspection record of the vehicle. Click Print Settings. Set the print information according to the requirements. If you are not using English, checking this option will automatically convert the diagnostic test report to English format. Next, let's take a look at the PDF printer settings. In the Settings interface, you can choose the default printer. You can also follow My Settings. On the home page, you can see the printed vehicle information. All these test reports can be used later in combination with DTS programming. Files can be saved separately according to the diagnosis time or VIN code. It can be seen that I sorted and saved by time. After the settings are completed, just click Apply. You can see the PDF troubleshooting function. If the PDF printer fails to work properly during the printing process, the fault can be repaired by reinstalling it. After using the software, you can normally exit through Terminate Xentry Diagnosis. If the Xentry Diagnosis software gets stuck and shows no response during use, you can force an exit through Stop Diagnosis. In the next class, we will officially enter Xentry Diagnosis to learn about and introduce the vehicle model information.